Hello everyone, welcome to my crafting show. Today's project I will be using this yarn and I will be using 4mm hook. To begin, make a magic ring. Make 6 single crochet as your first row. Slip stitch and chain 1. Two single crochet in the same stitch, and you will be doing this until the last stitches. Remember, this is your second row. I will be doing this invisible stitch until I finish this project, but you can do as you wish, just slip stitch to make it easier for you and chain 2, but this is how I do mine. Do a double crochet in the same stitch. Remember, this is your third row. You will start doing double crochet until the end of this project. So first row and second row was single crochet, and from the third row until you finish the project will be double crochet. Make 2 double crochet in the same stitch and 1 double crochet in the next, then repeat 2 double crochet in the next stitch and then 1 double crochet in the next until you finish the round. Again, you can do the simple slip stitch and chain 2, but this is how I do my invisible stitch or my invisible turning point or starting point. In the fourth row, you will be doing 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and in the next stitch do again 2 double crochet, and then in the third stitch do 1 double crochet. Repeat this process until you finish the row. So 2 double crochet in the same stitch, again 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the third stitch. slip stitch and chain 2. In the 5th row, you will be doing 2 double crochet in the same stitch and front post double crochet. So again, 2 double crochet in the same stitch and do a front post double crochet. So this is how you do it. Repeat this process until you finish the row. In row 6, you will do 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, and continue making a front post double crochet in the front post double crochet from the previous row. You will continue the increase until you reach in your desired length. So I'm making for a newborn baby. I'll show you the measurement. So in row 7, the same process as row 6, only the double crochet between the 2 double crochet in the same stitch and the front post double crochet will be increasing. So now in row 8, you will have 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches before the front post double crochet. I grabbed this head size guide from Google. So this is the newborn size. I got the measurements I need. I'll stop the increase row at row 8. In row 9, I will start decreasing. Make 2 double crochet together only before front post double crochets. Basically, you can actually do the 2 double crochet together or the decrease in any part, but I choose to do it where the front post double crochet so it won't be visible. As you can see, while I'm decreasing or making a 2 double crochet together, I do also a front post double crochet. So, from row 10, there will be no increase or decrease. Just double crochet each stitches and do a front post double crochet where the front post double crochet from the previous row. Repeat these rows until you have your desired length. I made a total of 6 rows for me to reach the length I need. For the edging, I did a decrease, but you can just do a single crochet all the way across. But I did a decrease in this part. This is optional, by the way, so it's up to you. Do not forget to wave the end. There you go. That's pretty much it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and feel free to share this video. I hope to see you guys next time. God bless us all. Bye-bye.